Hello, Escambia County Public School teachers, and welcome to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. As we prepare to conclude a marking period, we wanted to share a new district report with you. Posted Grades Not Matching Gradebook Teacher Version. This report will identify students whose posted grade does not match the gradebook grade. Before we begin, here are a couple of reminders. Focus is the official gradebook of record. Transfer grades must be entered in the gradebook to be averaged in the grade for students who may have transferred during the quarter. Posted grades must match the gradebook grade, and parents can see the average of the class and the posted grade all year. Let's get started with how to access the report. From the Focus homepage left menu, navigate to Reports, District Reports. When the district report screen loads, a list of folders will be located on the left side of your screen. Select the Errors folder and click the subfolder Grade Errors to locate the Posted Grades Not Matching Gradebook Teacher Report version. To access the documentation for this report, click the Google Doc link in the report description to open the document in a new tab. Click the green Run button to generate the report. This report is going to identify the student, student ID, marking period where the grade discrepancy exists, the section information identifying the period, course number, and course title, posted grade for the quarter, gradebook grade that is in the teacher's gradebook, the difference between the posted grade and the gradebook grade. When you look at the difference column, a positive number shows the posted grade is higher than what was in the gradebook. A negative number indicates the posted grade is lower than what was in the gradebook. The last column will display the comment the teacher entered when posting the grade. The gradebook must be adjusted to match the posted grade to clear a student from the report. If you have questions on how your gradebook should be adjusted, please contact your school administration. Thanks for joining me today as we learned about the district report, Posted Grades Not Matching Gradebook Teacher Version. Please be sure to check out our YouTube channel to access content specifically designed for you. If you don't see a video on a topic, just complete the video suggestion form linked in the description below. Be sure to check out the recommended video below as well. We hope you join us next time for another Byte of Tech.